And Greg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. 11:33 on the dot. Welcome. And a couple of invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Before we continue, the famous Belgian waffles is now open at the SM City Olongapo Downtown. All right, those who are craving for waffles, head on to SM City Olongapo Downtown. And Karamia Cakes and Gelato is also now open at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Sa SM Central naman to, yung Karamia Cakes and Gelato. Alright? Also, do check out the shoes and bags sale. Up to 50% off May 1 to 31. This is an SM special. So head on to SM Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown for the shoes and bags sale. Up to 50% off. Alright? And our home for the month of May is offering a Smack Advantage card and a Smack Prestige Special exclusive up to 40% off just for the month of May. So visit our home at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Alright, Miniso is now open at SM Downtown at the ground level for those who are big fans of the Miniso products. And My Girl Milk Tea and Coffee. Try it. Open now at the second level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. All right? Also, a while ago, we had our friends here at the Conti's from Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. They are offering the Mother's Day Cake Special. Also promoting the Flavors of Summer Halo Halo Special. Check it out. Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Get to grab your free tote bag for only 499 pesos purchase at the food court, fourth level of SM Central. All right? Also, Kabalen is still having the free buffet promo. Just bring along with you 4 paying customers and yours is gonna be free. Just bring along with you your Smack card, SM Advantage card. Okay? CBTL, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf is offering free drink upsize at the, it's inside the SM store, second level of SM City Olongapo Central. This is up until December 31. So that means full year long hanggang katapusan ng 2024. Okay? And right about now, we have our friends here from LaSalle College of Antipolo here at the station. Hey! All right, welcome! Ayan, okay. Yeah, hello. Ayan. You guys can see yourselves on the... hindi na makita, no? Sige, ito. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Okay. So, kanina isa lang yung gwapo rito. Ngayon, ang dami namin, ano? Ayun! Oh, LaSalle College, Antipolo. Kamusta mga pare? Yan. Ayos ba? Kaklase nyo yung mga nauna kanina? Ayun. Oh, I notice sineparate yung girls sa boys, no? Yan, okay. So, magkakaklase kayong lahat, right? Grade 12 A. Teka. May A, may B, may ano, ganun ba yun? ABC. Okay. Pero graduating naman, pare-pareho yun. Grade 12 A. Yeah. Sana, no? Hindi ko na nga ginamit yung hopefully, no? Hopefully. Okay. So, kamusta biyahe nyo? Ayos ba? Sino sa inyong ang hindi first time sa Subic, dating nakapunta na? Ayan. So, kayo yung mga nauna na. Aware kayo na mahigpit, no? Sa traffic rules, yun. Littering, anti-littering, di ba? Bawal magkalat. Yun, mahigpit dito pagdating sa ganon. Well, Subic is known for discipline naman kasi, di ba? Yung traffic nga natin dito gustong i-pattern ng Kaya lang medyo mahirap sa EDSA kung ipa-pattern mo dahil milyones yung sasakyan na dumadaan doon. Parang hirap no? Yun, walang kamote rider dito. Ang meron dito patatas. The joke lang. Okay. So, anong so far first stop nyo ba ang Subic? May dinaanan na kayong kanina? I mean, may dinaanan na kayong etong radio station. Facility, yeah, may nauna na kanina. Sige, gamitin yung mic para marinig kayo. Yeah.
What is up, Subic Bay?
You know? Shout out. Ano yung una yung dinaanan na facility dito sa Subic kanina? The CCTV ng law enforcement, no? Ayan. What can you say about the trip there? Okay ba? Aiso?
Nakakaba po.
Nakakakaba ba, sabi? Kita lahat, no? Likod, harap, tagiliran. Kita lahat. Ayan. So far, sa school nyo naman, ako naman magtatanong sa school nyo, pare. Anong something na gustong-gusto nyo sa school nyo?
Si Ate Joy Joy po.
Si Ma'am ba yun?
Si Ate Joy Joy.
Ate Joy, si Ma'am Joy Joy. Yan, okay. But anong meron kay Ate Joy Joy na paborito mo ba?
Kapag wala po yung may-ari nung kantin.
Alam mo namang ilaglag yan.
Siya yung nagtitinda sa kantin.
Yes,
Pag wala yung may-ari.
Busog na po kami lahat. Thank you very much.
Tapos, mura na, nauutang pa. Speaking of kantin, anong pinaka-paborito yung pagkain doon?
Wala.
Yun lang. Walang paborito kasi lahat gusto. Yun. Tapos I heard yung motto nyo raw is the only way is up. Uphill. Hindi, ano yung official motto nyo? May official motto kayo eh. Ano yung official motto ng Lasal College? Come climb with us ba? Yung parang narinig ko kanina, parang gano'n. Soar high. Kasi po, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang Lasal College is uphill yan pataas. Papasok ka, uphill. Uuwi ka, uphill pa rin. Ewan ko kung paano makakauwi yun. Puro uphill. Good luck kung may downhill. Okay. Ayan. So, pag graduate kayo, anong pinakamamimiss nyo sa school nyo?
Yung patarik po.
Yung what?
Yung patarik pagpakit mo sa campus.
Mamimiss nyo yun. Pero physically fit kayo lahat, no? Kasi, di ba? Physically fit, paakyat, no? Yan. Yun naman ang kagandahan noon. Alright? Okay. So, my last question would be, pag graduate na kayo, what's gonna be next for you guys? Ano sa tingin nyo? Anong natin?
Scatter na lang siya.
College. Kasi sa Lasal Antipolo, walang college no? Sineperate na yung college dati, Wala na. So, ano yung nearest college ng Lasal? Sa Antipolo? Saan po located? Antipolo pa rin? Yun.
Right beside my house.
Yun. Right beside your house. So, you're part owner probably.
You're right.
Okay. O sige, I'm not gonna hold you long dahil alam ko may next stop pa kayo, no? Saan ang next stop nyo?
Clark.
Duty free! Ayun. Ayun. Pag umabot, makikishopping ako sa inyo pag umabot. Sige, I'm not gonna hold you long dahil may next batch pa, no? Ayan. We have about 9 buses, no? Of Lasal students. Wow! Ang dami niyan. Tapos, I'm glad na lahat sila magiging guest ko rito sa 89.5. I'm honored. Na lahat sila dadaan dito. Ayan. Sige po. Sige, magbabay ka na. Shout out. Sige, go ahead.
Shoutout pala sa baby cakes ko. I love you, Mia.
Baby cakes. Wow. Sige.
Shout out to my Bobby. I'm coming for you.
Shoutout nga pala kay Babu. I love you so much.
Nasaan yung mga binati nyo?
Shoutout nga pala sa bangers dyan.
Bangers. Yung mga binati nyo, nasaan yung mga yan? Baka nasa labas lang naman. Pabati-bati pa, nandiyan lang.
Shoutout sa asawa ko, papakainin ko na yung anak natin.
Ang agang nag-asawa nito. Yeah.
Shoutout to my hearty baby. I miss you.
Okay.
Shoutout kay mami.
Sir, pwede mo pa outro?
Yeah, sige, go.
Okay, Subic Bay. This is DJ Basti. In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
Pwede. Alright. Okay. And with that, we would like to thank you, Lasal College Antipolo. Yay! Pinasaya nyo yung programa. Thank you so much. Let's call on the next batch. Sige po, exit na. So we can have the next batch. Enjoy Subic! Masarap dito. Alright. Okay. So we will press play on the next Cool Friday Rewind song. Diyan lang po kayo. Okay, Alice, we will be back with more. This one's from 1991. Boy Crazy with the song That's What Love Can Do. 895 Subic Bay Radio.